Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. Today, guys, I'm going to talk about some of these stocks: Bitcoin, Tesla, dollar, fix, SPY, SPX, oil. So, guys, I'm going to touch everyone my opinion. We are going to start with SPX. That you are going to yeah, just opinion, guys. And tomorrow we are going to see a massive, maybe morning. We are going to see most stock pulling back before evening and Tuesday. Stock most of like SPX. SPX bounces strong on Friday. It bounces Thursday and Friday, but Friday you pull back. It bounces, you open green, and then you pull back. We saw most of the stock pulling back on Friday evening, and like this stock guys, we might seeing on RSI, we might seeing some consolidation on the SPX, especially Big Tech. On this week, next week we have some small some stocks of big tech may be going down, especially when you talk SPX. We are going to see, we saw Netflix is carrying a lot of SPX, and we saw Netflix pulling back on Friday, going to test it break the support on Friday, and I was expecting Netflix to touch us around 370. 377 was the support, but I saw, I draw around 371, maybe the real support, and and also we saw some I draw candlestick on Thursday that we saw some a candlestick which indicated reversal, but it had a low volume. Buyers who are buying most were less than those who are selling, and for me, technically, guys, this week we are going to see huge pounds on Netflix. So by now my support will be 371, and then that will be huge pounds on Netflix. Yeah, currently, guys, you need to buy Netflix opportunities. Netflix there, and it's going to bounce us, and you might be seeing to maybe another $40 profit by share. And let's go to the Apple and the Tesla. So Apple, guys, finally Apple on Thursday gave us a strong reversal. Reversal. Uh, this stock Apple, guys, I'm sure about the big tech, two big tech that is already is the one who is reacting bullish in near term. Tesla and Apple is the first stock which oversold 1 month ago, and Apple finally bounces strong. And I'm waiting Tesla. Tesla also is going to be, we know Tesla, guys, uh, giving high reward and at the same time taking the same price. So we saw Tesla on Wednesday last week. Tesla was trading 230, it reached 34, but by Friday Tesla ran all the way to, right now is trading 250. So it touches here, and when you see over here, guys, we saw huge volume, and Jerome Powell is going to talk tomorrow. I'm expecting Tesla to go to touch somewhere a resistance on RSI. So on that resistance on RSI, this stock is going to hit around 257, 258, and then would be maybe to come back before breaking that line of the support. Yeah, so we have some few days this October. We have from right now this October by October 15. We have this position over here on Tesla to break out, and that when um, XPX is going to be find the nice support, and if you cannot retrace anymore because I didn't. This is the part of the things I was watching. Maybe if SPX is going to pounces, this will be uh, low high before making more bullish. And there is something I did on the SPY. I say, guys, we are going to watch these points. You see these points, 3 points, and this is will be. I think this now will be good. It will be not be good. I'm going to do right now, and I'm going to show you. Um, this area, you see this area, this one. Let me delete again because it was not nice. Line of the downtrend resistance. So this is what's going to happen, guys, and this exactly thing happened to Bitcoin. I'm telling you, if you are going to watch this video, guys, it's going to help you, and I'm going to bring Bitcoin after here. This happened on Bitcoin when Bitcoin reached 32,000. We saw Bitcoin touches. So this is the three touches, meaning this stock will be going to consolidate. And when I was looking at this one, most of the stock, yeah, is going to consolidate it. If they will follow Bitcoin, it's going to consolidate, consolidating until December. I'm going to press SPY right now. Yeah, until December. These 3 months, which is still happening, we have stock. Most of the stock is going to be retracing. Finally, not okay. Let me bring Bitcoin. I will go to bring Bitcoin right now. Let me bring PTC. PTC. Bitcoin is already breakout. So this is what happened, guys. That's why it's important. I told you when Bitcoin. I hope you see what I'm doing over here. When Bitcoin touches here, guys, around around 32,000, we saw doing the same. Bitcoin's ahead of everything, guys. Let me tell you true. Bitcoin is, and right now we are going to see uh, the same SPY or SPX is going to see a massive breakout like this one, and it's going to find the resistance. And there is a day which will go to make another dip before moving upward like Bitcoin. Bitcoin right now is bullish, is breaking out, and the good thing right now on Bitcoin is already closing above the support. So we saw volume today came push above, and Bitcoin it will be retracing short term before, and that will be 27. 600 will be the next support for Bitcoin, and I want to watch something here. Yeah, this is what's going to make Bitcoin to retrace on 45 minutes. Reach oversold. You see, anytime reach oversold, it's going to retrace, and the Bitcoin will be retracing towards uh, 27,500. Finally, not the least, I will go to talk about the fix and the dollar. So fix which is dollar. Tomorrow is going to open and it's going to make like Bitcoin and some of the stock to be perish tomorrow because you see it's holding strong on the support which is the moving on average. Dollar is doing the nice thing which I like it. Uh, Before I went, let me see the dollar. Daily dollar is already retracing. We saw this huge retracing, even though it's building another green candlestick. But I don't think it will be um, moving upward again. So we are going to watch that area and finally fear on the market. Fear and that will be fixed. Fix still. I was watching fix guys. It closes above here, you see, but it's halfway. It closes above on the daily chart. It break out on my technicals and fix still, which is showing most of the stock is going to be uh, dumping once more. Thank you so much and have a nice day. Please guys, subscribe, like, and if you want to be safe guys, I think even me, I will go to see if I will go to sell my some of the shares, like Amazon. I will not buy Amazon right now. I will not buy Facebook. I will not buy. I will buy Apple only. Oh, Apple and Tesla. And I'm thinking to go to load some of the uh, coins. Coins we have opportunity like ETC, Solana, ADA. Because Bitcoin is going to be more bullish and more and more. Thank you so much and have a nice day. Bye.